And so here we are, the final product. Delicious brownies. You don't get any because you quit on me. Yeah, that's good. Good stuff. Thank you for joining us on 3-Minute Brownies from Training with Marketing. My name is Sean, and that's my emoji. Pinky. Delicious. You should try it. Okay. So this is obviously the way you do it on the Food Network. It's just all right, so let's start editing.
Well, we gotta put it inside. Thing is bring it in. Be careful when you push the button because the camera's in it. Wait, what? What? Here, grab this. Grab this. And then open up the thing. The camera's recording.
This is called the Stick Up Network Cookie Show.
I told you it's in there.
Put it up here. Let's see what we got.
No, it's smoking.
Put it up. Oh, that's good. The whole middle of it. Stop cussing. Okay, now we got it.
It's smoking.
Just shut up. Just shut up. Look it. It's okay. We can still do this. Watch. We can still do this. Okay?
No, it's disgusting.
Just all I want you to do is turn from the center towards us. Hacks. You can't always trust them. I want it. Will you go get some cupcakes or something?
All the stores are closed.
I'll be back in a minute to show you the finished product. It was actually smoking. These bloopers are going to be way, way more convenient and funny than the hack.